Hi everyone, welcome to Conceptual Thinkers Talk Primary Maths Concept with Teacher Ben. Now today we will be touching on P5 Maha Bodhi WA2 2022 question 20. So let's start and interpret the question. So we have a rectangle below which is made up of 4 triangles, and the area of the 3 triangles are shown. So we need to find the area of the shaded triangle. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles, and out of the 4, 3 of them was given in terms of the area. So we have 81 cm square, 63 cm square, and 104 cm square. Now our job is to find the area of this shaded part. So the concept here will be area of triangle.